How to use AI-driven hashtag generator for TikTok post. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can use AI-driven hashtag generator for TikTok. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. First, to use an AI-driven hashtag generator, you will typically need a third-party tool. So there is no direct AI option for TikTok to generate hashtags, but there are a lot of reliable websites that you can find in the web. So you can choose your Chrome option, and after you're on your Chrome, you can then search for different hashtag generators such as Quillbot. So let's go to Quillbot hashtag generator. Search for that and you'll find the free AI hashtag generator by Quillbot. Tap on this. And after you do that, you will you'll simply need to type in a prompt. So just type in whatever your video is about. So describe your video content. So if you're writing about cooking non-veg meal, then if you tap on generate hashtags, it will start generating the hashtags for you. And there you can see, you can simply copy this and head over to your TikTok. You're on your TikTok, you can go to your post. Let me just so I'll just select a random post. This is not the post the description is about, but you can simply add your hashtags here. You can paste whatever you copied before and then tap on post. And that's how you can use AI-driven hashtag generator for TikTok posts. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.